Hi everyone, so I'm very excited to announce that we have recently launched our MCP. It is currently available to a few of our beta users and enterprise customers. And in this video, I actually wanted to show you how it looks in production. Now, there's a lot of technical architecture involved in creating and maintaining and utilizing an MCP. We'll maintain that separately. In this video, I just wanted to show how the user will utilize it and how they will interact with it. So I will take a very basic example of some product line that already exists and how you can utilize the architecture of Claude and capability of their multiple models, and along with that our MCP architecture to not only just find data, find contacts, find numbers, but also ideate on your GTM, right? So let's take the example of DoorDash's package delivery, right? It's a very unique product, and let's utilize Claude's models to chart out an ICP for us, and then we'll use Bitscale to get the later piece of the information. So uh, find, I just write a very simple prompt here. Find the ICP persona for DoorDash package delivery offering, and find 200 people from the said persona using Bitscale. Also find their emails. Alright, let's try this first. I'll just run that. Alright, so it's asking me which offering would this be relevant for. So this is Claude being Claude. It is gaining context, and this would actually improve the responses if you go through with it. So yes, for business, what seniority titles should the 200 people have? Now this is super dependent on the kind of reach out that you're trying to do. You can let Claude also handle it. In our case, let's just find the director and VP level people, and the target company profile is something that I would essentially want for Claude to find. So, but we can like include at least the size of the companies here. So let's just put enterprise retail. Alright, I'll just allow. Yes, allow for this task. Allow. You can also set up an auto allow, but I have not set up in my environment. Alright, so Claude does its magic. It understands the use case, and it asks me whether I want to run the email founder on all 200 rows, and yeah, why not? Just go ahead, get me all of the emails as soon as possible. And it plans out first, which is super good, and finds out the correct personas on its own. So this, in collaboration with the architectural capabilities of Bitscale, is super relevant for GTM teams, I feel. Awesome. So I think the grid is ready, and I will just head over to the grid. And we have the grid completely set up here. The sources, correct ICP personas, work email has been found. So everything is looking at this end, but this is not how you would be using this essentially, right? You would not want to come back to the platform. So if we come back to Claude here and simply ask, hey, or not quite, could you share 10 emails with me from the created list that I can use for reach out. And then Claude should essentially go to the grid and find those 10 emails and send it to you, so that you don't even have to go to the platform anymore. Everything can happen in this chat interface itself. And awesome. Now we have 10 strong contacts, and these are like preferred contacts by Claude that we can utilize for reach out. So this becomes a godsend for SDRs essentially. You do not have to overly complicate your workflows or go through entire iteration sessions to create workflows on Bitscale. You can utilize our MCP layer, and with a solid understanding of the GTM space, you can create absolute magic here. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions or if you want to try this out or get in touch with us, we'd love to give you a demo. Cheers, bye.